does.
G-pack.
Still warm. Still
Well,
very warm. Feel that?
Oh yeah.
So we've only got little temporary homes for them now today. Here you go. It's well packed.
Oh yeah.
What's the name of this?
Poecilotheria regalis.
Poecilotheria regalis.
I think that's how you pronounce it.
They are arboreal,
So we need.
also known as a pokey.
Yeah, they're one of the pokey.
One of the pokies.
We'll be getting the Metallica next. Hopefully.
That was the goal. To get a Metallica, but okay, all wrapped up and in a. So, are they together?
I have no idea what way this is. Oh. Do you want to open that up on the table?
Yeah, I'm just cutting the sellotape here first.
All the substraightening else.
I know. Oh, still one here. Let's be ready. Oh, we got a freebie.
Did we?
Yes, we did.
Wow.
Free.
What?
Look.
Sashimi. El sashimi. Don't know what that is. Let's see what that is in a minute.
Deadly.
We'll have to set up a little home for him.
Yeah, we will. We will. But these are a bit bigger. So let's just look at the lid there so we can see. Right.
Yeah, I can't see it proper with this video.
One is male and one is female.
Alright.
I need my glasses on now. Here, put them on the table. We need some light here. Oh, that's not even helping. No. Something tall. Even that. Okay, so we have to keep the lids with the right ones.
Oh,
now,
yeah,
so
just to make sure.
to make sure. Yeah.
don't know what size there. So I'd probably take that out and put it in.
There she is.
Mm.
We're going to have to try and back her out into there. Hey, she's doing it all herself.
That's
Look
it,
at that.
can't
She is beautiful.
Oh wow, she's huge.
Wow.
She is huge. Oh, look at the yellow. Wow.
Hang on, I'll put some light on her. She's quick.
Mm. And she is big.
She's gorgeous. Look at the yellow on her. And the blue. Look at the blue on her paws, on her feet, like the legs there.
Can you turn it around? So, catch her from, oh.
There she goes.
There she is. Right, your light is blocking
Hang
it.
on, I was just putting it on. They don't like the light too much. But we need our pictures.
I can see. Yeah. Yeah, she is absolutely gorgeous. She's huge.
She's so big.
Right.
Wow.
We're gonna have to get new things for them very soon.
Yeah.
Wow. I think we'll be having babies sooner than we thought.
Wow is all I can say. Wow.
Baru, are you not happy? Baru, are you happy?
He's a good boy.
Hey, good boy. Hey, yeah.
He's over there chilling with the spiders. And give me a kiss. No, no, no.
He's a good boy.
Good boy. Right.
Good boy. Be very careful with this one. They're huge.
Same thing again. We'll just put her over here for a minute.
Watch your fingers. The male, these are more skittish.
Here he is. There's a leg out there.
Let's see. He's smaller, isn't he? Yeah. Colours are not great.
Hang on, I got the light on. There he is. You can see the difference in the male and the female though, can't you?
Yeah. So